At this point in our trip, we've been on the road for 6 long weeks, camping every single night with our Expedition 2.0. It's been quite an adventure with much experience gained. Some lessons, though, have been harder and more consequential than others, such as the loss of our awning in the second week of our trip camping on the rim of Owyhee Canyon in Oregon. And while I've made good use of the wood stove, available shade, and scrap wood, the days are getting longer and hotter, and an upcoming heat wave with 110-degree days motivate me to get creative and finally find a way to get the awning back in service. Stick around to the end to see what I come up with. Such a beautiful display from Mother Nature, but we were off the next morning towards home with one last stop in Oregon. Check out this view. This is Oregon, man. Hey folks, the awning is back up. What I've done is slid it around to the small portion of the bracket that was not bent. If you can see this is where it was mounted on this, and this used to be straight. This whole thing was straight, and it got bent over, all three of them, past 90 degrees. So I slid it over and mounted it with just one bolt. The other one's just hanging up in the air, so it's just temporary. I'm not going to try and straighten these. I'm just going to cut them off, and then I'm going to make a brace to go from that down to this mounting bolt here. So it should actually be stronger in the end. The awning's a little beat up, but none the worse for wear. It's going to survive. It's going to live. We got one tab that's was ripped out over here. The side tab right there. Focus. And yeah, that was ripped out, so I strung this guy rope from the corner bracket over there to the ground to hold this, keep that from catching any wind. These mounts up here. Okay, so yeah, that was bent a little bit there. Have to straighten that. Same on the other side. Other than that, it looks good. It's incredible that that thing took all that force and bent all three of those brackets at once. But it did, and those are some thick brackets. Made it work, but there was times I missed it, and glad to have it back. It's just temporary right now. We had some winds last night, and it held up fine. So I'm hopeful we'll be okay. Anyway, hope you liked this video. Hope you liked this area. Is a free BLM campground in Oregon. It's incredible. Yeah, beautiful place. Come back here anytime, but not in June. It's a little bit hot. We was 110 yesterday, so that's a little bit warm for me. We're gonna get out of here today. Anyway, like I said, I hope you liked this video. Hope you're glad the awning's still alive, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.